We devise a new novel testing format which we believe can become the gold standard of radar detector testing. So what we've done is devise a test that represents what we believe to be a very difficult targeting scenario within these first series of videos with instant on radar from an obstructed hidden position.
Passing you now.
Copy. I see it.
The R9 and the Redline alert at the same time.
815.
So thank you for watching. Be sure to ring that bell to get notified of our new videos, as well as subscribe, and you'll be getting this content, unique content, as we perform more tests, real world type tests with the best radar detectors that are currently available. Be sure to visit stealthveil.com or radarbusters.com for all of your countermeasure needs, and thank you for watching.